Want to stay updated on your favorite stock without even unlocking your phone? With Android 16 and One UI 8.0, Samsung introduces a handy upgrade to the Now bar. It can now show Google Finance stock update right on your lock screen. It's perfect for tracking market moves at a glance. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Now bar. Under the Live Notification section, enable Google Finance and then tap it. Tap Google Finance Setting. Tap the desired stock, or you can use the search bar to find a certain stock. Tap the plus icon, then tap Add to Watch List. And that's it. When the trading day ends, you will see a Now bar update for any stock that has significant price change. As the example, if you follow NVDA Corp and its price moves sharply, a live update will appear on your Now bar even when your phone is locked. With this feature, now you can keep an eye on the market right from your lock screen. No need to unlock or open an app. It's a small feature, but a big win for investors and traders alike. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.